I could be a bird for a day, I would fly far, far away, to where the mountains don't hold me, to where I can be free. I'd go where I can finally be home, where I'd at last be welcome, where I'm surrounded by trees and welcome in the breeze. If I could be a bird for a day, I would fly far, far away, to where I could breathe easy, to where I could be me. I'd go where the raindrops fall, so my tears don't settle, and the world seems free, and my life happy. Oh, if I could be a bird for a day, I would fly far, far away, to where the mountains don't hold me, to where I can be free. I'd go where I can finally be home, where I'd at last be welcome, where I'm surrounded by the trees, and welcome is the breeze. If I could be a bird for a day, oh, if I could be a bird for a day, I would fly far, far away, to where I could breathe easy, to where I could be me. I'd go where the raindrops fall, so my tears don't at all, and my life would be happy. If I could be a bird for